Hello everyone. So haven't got a proper intro for this video. I've really just gone to a car show today down in St Kilda. There were a few nice cars there, so I thought I'd put a couple of videos together so you can have a look. My broken hand. Yeah, just enjoy. I've put a few together. There'll be a few different cars, American, Australian, a bit of everything. Just enjoy really, and without further ado, up next will be all the cars, so enjoy.
Northern lights come out at night on the edge of a quiet forest. But the heart of the South is far from quiet. The streets filled with a chorus of a song that plays all night and day with that Music City sound. It can't be denied that Southern high society's all around. Don't matter if it's nighttime, daytime, it's daytime down by the white line. When the guitar shreds, keep turning heads to the sound coming out of Broadway. Oh my Lord, you can't stand forward, spinning gold-plated wheels. Give me the finest field, LA high heels, and all that sets the feel. Southern lights, yeah, the Southern lights. Southern lights, yeah, the Southern lights. Give me a big old home where the buffalo roam, out in the heart of Franklin. Gotta earn your spot, get to the top, on the outside looking in, where shine meets fit, writing #1 hits, always on the go. If you love this town, just look around and tell everyone you know. Don't matter if it's nighttime or daytime, it's daytime down by the water line, where the kids are shed, keep turning heads to the sound bumping out of Broadway. Oh my Lord, you catch that forward, spinning gold-plated wheels. Give me the finest feel, LA high heels, and all that sets the feel. Southern lights, yeah, the Southern lights. Of the Southern lights, yeah, the Southern lights.
Hope you guys enjoyed all of them. As always, like, subscribe, the usual things on YouTube that every other YouTuber is going to say. I'll say the exact same thing just to make it sound like I've really put this together. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be going to another car show soon, so I'll try and do some different videos talking in them, I guess. So yeah, see you later.